Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm Rachel Jones and this is Kalkine TV's Trending Economic News. The head of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Philip Lowe, has reiterated that interest rates have not peaked, adding that he was unsure how high they had to go as the central bank, seeking to control inflation, tried to follow a narrow path to a soft landing. Getting there and avoiding a recession depended on moderate wage rises, he told members of Parliament. Despite a series of interest rate rises that began in May, consumer price inflation hit a 32-year high in the fourth quarter. He said inflation at the moment, 7.8%, is way too high and needs to come down. That's our primary consideration. When asked about how far interest rates would have to rise, he said policymakers had an open mind. He said, "I don't know, we're at the peak yet, but how far we have to go up, I don't know," adding that the central bank would keep monitoring inflation, consumer spending, the global economy and wages growth. The RBA was not trying to push the economy into a recession, and a narrow path to a soft landing was available if wage rises stayed reasonable, he said. The risk of a spiral of wages driving up prices, then prices driving up wages, was relatively low. But if it happened, the cost would be high. Wages in the third quarter were 3.1% higher than a year before. The central bank has lifted its policy rate by 325 basis points since May to a decade high of 3.35%. Well, that's the latest trending economic news from Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.